What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Let me know if you guys can hear me loud and clear. What's up? What's up? Perfect. All right, guys. So we're gonna be going over gold today, and we're also gonna be trading GJ. We're currently at all-time highs in gold, so been very choppy these past few weeks. Most of the time, it's just been literally moving during London sessions, and we're not up, during London sessions. We're New York traders. So the moves have been happening a lot earlier than when we trade. So that's why I haven't really been live streaming lately, just because gold is pretty much at an all-time highs. Markets aren't really too nice, and extremely volatile, right? I have a lot of beginner traders here on my live streams, where I don't want to have them. I don't want to have you guys trade this type of volatility, right? It's just honestly not healthy for your trading, especially if you're in the beginning stages, where you think this is normal, right? And this is obviously not normal, right? There's just a lot of market manipulation, extreme volatility, and I don't want you guys to be risking your hard earned capital in these type of market conditions. But you also got to understand that you to become a successful trader long term, you got to learn how to adapt into the new market conditions, right? Now, this for the more advanced viewers and the more advanced traders, where you guys got to learn that you got to adapt, right? Adaptability is just going to allow you to be profitable long term, not just profitable one day, not just profitable for a month where you get one good payout, but to continue being able to get those payouts from those prop firms, or to continue being able to withdraw every Friday or every whenever you want. You get me? Because a lot of traders have this type of mindset mixed up, where they think that just because they became profitable, they just got one winning trade, they're already profitable. And reality is that no, you got to keep on working on your craft, and you got to keep on, adapting with whatever the market does. Because if you don't adapt, you're gonna stay behind, right? You're gonna make some money, get a quick payout, but if you don't adapt to the market, that's not gonna happen again. You get me? So let's look at the markets from. Let me see if there's any news today. I don't think so. Since before we even dive into the markets, the first thing we do is obviously look at news. Today, April 9th. Yeah, no news, bunch of yellow folders. We're probably gonna, have a slower day today, even though the market's obviously been moving super fast lately. But we do have red folders on the NZD at 10 p.m. We don't trade during that time, and we also do not trade the NZD, right? So, no worries for us. Just a bunch of yellow folders throughout the day. That's normal. We can deal with that. And let's do a top-down analysis on gold. Obviously, from the weekly time frame, we can obviously tell that we're very, very bullish. Look at this. We're currently playing at all-time highs on gold. In my 5 years of trading experience, I've never experienced, a gold this high up in price. So this is basically a first for me as well. And just like you guys, I have to adapt to whatever the market brings us. Currently at 2,350 all-time highs on gold, extremely volatile. Daily time frame, obviously we're very bullish. Previous candle bullish. Two time frames in sync, weekly and daily. We can obviously tell that we are bullish on gold. 4 hour time frame, we mark up our major key levels. We marked up this one. We kind of had a little retest, or it's trying to retest right now. And I'm expecting gold to keep pushing up, since we're obviously in bullish territory, and we had an 8 SMA rejection, as you guys can see. But we did expand, towards a new high. We got the breakout for this previous resistance. Now we're having a small pullback to possibly continue pushing up, or at least that's what I'm expecting, since we are in a pretty much very bullish market. Now, I wouldn't be taking any sells on gold, due to the fact that we're extremely bullish, and sells would be very, very risky, and you'll pretty much be counter trending, which you can counter trend, but not with this strategy, and especially not with the market conditions that gold is playing in right now. 1 hour time frame, just so we can see more data on the chart. Obviously, we broke this resistance level that was respected multiple times, as you guys can see here. Respected 1, 2, 3, previous support, 4, breakout, retest, continue pushing up. We might see a second retest off of this level. That's at least what I'm expecting. And, we can probably see a bounce to continue up, right? We can see something like this happening to possibly create another new all-time high on gold. That's what I'm expecting, since we are in a very bullish market currently. But, that's what I can possibly see. Now, if we do decide to break below this level, I wouldn't be taking sells. And the reason why I wouldn't be taking those sells is because, first of all, in the bigger time frames, we're very bullish. And sells, of course, will be risky. The only way where I will be taking sells in this, in gold, is if, of course, we get that breakout off of this level. But again, we would also need a retest just for that extra confirmation on the market. So we need a breakout off of this level. Boom, something like this target zone. Obviously, if it's a real breakout or not a fake out, we would need a retest. So we would need market to come back to the zone where previous support could now play as a resistance or a roof or ceiling in the market. And then the market will have to keep pushing down to reach these new target levels down here. Now, there is a lot of liquidity down there, and I do not know until when is gold going to keep on pushing up to create new all-time highs. But what I could tell you is I can mark up my chart with, pure price action based off of the analysis that I can do. And there is a lot of liquidity down here, right? For example, each target zone or each key level that I mark up is basically liquidity levels. And as you all know, or what I've explained in the past, the market, regardless what pair you're trading, whether it's gold, US 30, NASDAQ, or any Forex pair, moves looking for liquidity. The market is looking constantly for liquidity. What is liquidity? You guys can say it in the chat, or if not, I can explain it. Liquidity is, how many people do we have in the stream? We got 27 viewers on the live stream. Chat's kind of dead. Come on, chat, let's go. It's a very educational live stream today while we wait for a setup. What is liquidity, guys? Let me know in the chat. Fuel. That's a word. Money. Perfect. What us traders love. Alright, or what us traders look for when we're trading. Because obviously we get into the markets to make money, right? We don't come into the markets to lose money. Now, liquidity is money. The markets are constantly looking for fuel or looking for money. And that's why these target or these key levels form in the markets, because they are levels where there's a lot of liquidity accumulated in that area, right? And that's why we see resistance, support levels, or supply and demand levels forming. Or if you're a smart money trader, that's why you see order blocks or fair value gaps forming. What we love. What we love. Money the banks haven't gotten back. Exactly. There's money that's out there. That's why the market moves. The market moves from zone to zone. Each zone, it's like a bag of money. And the market is constantly trying to go and reach those bags of money, those liquidity zones. And, the levels that we trade off of are breakouts off of these levels, because we understand that once the market breaks one of these liquidity levels, it's more than likely gonna keep on pushing towards the next target zone or the next liquidity level. And then once it reaches that level, it's gonna go and grab the other one and the other one. Here, the nearest support key level, or the nearest key level that we have, is this one right here, 2340. There's the live example of what's going on with gold. If we break this level towards the downside, what that's telling you is that there are obviously more sellers than buyers. Market came down because there was obviously some type of liquidity down there, probably stop losses from the buyers. And now, the market wants to expand towards the downside because we can tell that there's liquidity down here on these target zones. And then there's liquidity down here as well. This target zones, right? It's not a coincidence that there's multiple, the market or the candles respect these levels multiple times. It's not a coincidence. It's literally, levels that the markets are going to reach. Now, if we break this level towards the downside, not only is the market expanding down, but we're also getting into bearish territory or seller's territory. What does that mean? That anything around that area your main goal is to look for sells because we are in seller's territory and the sellers are in control. You're always going to want to do whatever the market is currently doing. We are not gamblers, or we are not predicting where price is going. We as traders, our main goal is to react to wherever price is headed. So if price is headed down, us traders are going to sell. And if price is headed up, like it's currently doing right now, us traders are going to buy. In this case, if we get the breakout below 23.40, we're going to head into seller's territory and we're going to start looking for sells. Once we get into that territory, we understand that market moves from zone to zone. Where's it going to go? Next zone. Next zone is 23.20. Boom. We put our take profits there and we get into the sells and target those levels. Market reaches that level, hits our TP1. Where's market going to head to? The next TP or the next target level. Next target level is down here, 23.00. Psychological level, boom. TP2, final target zone, successful winning trade. And that's how we trade here. And that's, one of the core principles of my outbreak strategy. How many people? We got about 20 people. Not a lot of people in the live streams, but again, that's why we're the 1% of traders. 99% of traders lose money in the markets because they learn from the wrong mentors. All right, DXY, 1 hour time frame. Obviously, we already understand the inverse correlation that the DXY or the dollar has with gold. Dollar is currently melting. Let me see, daily time frame. Yeah, so dollar is currently melting, but as you guys can see in the daily time frame, we're still playing above SMAs, which is strange, right? Because why is gold pushing so high up? Where is gold getting all this strength to keep pushing up? And the dollar's really not melting like that, right? The dollar's pretty much still consolidated. Why is gold moving like that? That's another factor that you got to keep in mind. And that's why I've been telling a lot of you guys that if you're a beginning trader, be extremely cautious trading. In the scenario that price was already above all-time highs, would you use a Fibonacci to use? Correct. In a scenario where, for example, we are in a bullish channel or a trend towards the upside, we mark up the key levels, and we could use the Fib or the Fibonacci as a tool to measure, until where those pullbacks are going to reach to or when those rotations are going to reach to. Correct. Where to put your TPs? Not necessarily my TPs, because my TPs are usually target levels, but the Fibonacci could help with the entry, measuring exactly until where the market's going to reach to. And remember, the Fibonacci is just a prediction of the market. We usually react to market, but since we are at all-time highs, we don't have any level above us. So the only way where we could trade is obviously with, market breaking a retest, touching those levels, and using the Fibonacci as a tool to kind of measure where the market's going to reach. Okay, so the DXY on the daily time frame, it's kind of rejecting this 50 SMA, which I don't like, because if we want gold to keep pushing up, we would obviously want an extremely bearish DXY. So I would already be expecting the dollar to be below the 50 SMA. 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, gold's kind of trying to break these lows here, as we can see here. Let me see. Yeah, these lows do look pretty nice. If dollar breaks those lows, we can anticipate it's going to keep pushing down, and gold is more than likely going to keep pushing up. Target level that we just marked up because it's been respected multiple times here in the past. There's a 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame. 1 hour currently trying to break that level. 1 hour candle closes in 5 minutes. If in 5 minutes the dollar breaks that support level, then we can anticipate or predict that the dollar will melt and gold will already start pushing up. 30-minute time frame, no reason to keep pushing to the smaller time frames on the dollar, since we obviously do not trade the DXY by itself. We just use it as a correlation with gold. So 1 hour, 4 hour time frame works if you're trying to do that analysis. Gold obviously we will need to look into the smaller time frames because that's the pair that we actively trade. And if we want to catch that precise sniper entry, obviously we would need more data, and we get that data from going down into the smaller time frames. 1 hour time frame, break, retest, 30-minute time frame. Looks like, we could start pushing up again. I would also want an extra confirmation from gold where we break above this 8 SMA. Now, when we finally break above that 8 SMA, I'm probably going to start going into those buys. But I would have to see where I'm going to be placing my stop loss if I'm obviously going to trade this. 30-minute, 50-minute. And look at this, beautiful 15-minute time frame. What can we see that we didn't see in the 30-minute time frame? Well, in the 15-minute time frame, we are seeing a lot more data than we saw in the 30-minute. Because, like I said, when we were in the 30-minute, I told you guys, I would want gold to break above the 8 SMA. Now, we came down into the 15, and what do we see on above the 8 SMA? Well, we see a 15-minute minor level. So, what does that tell you? That there is liquidity above that minor level. Now, it might not be a major level, or there might not be a lot of liquidity, but there's still some liquidity. So gold is going to come to that level, and if we get that candle closure, we already know that it's going to be bullish again, and we're going to target the next level. What's the next level? All-time highs off of this minor 15-minute level. From 2355 to 2365, got a pretty big move, guys. So that would more than likely be where I'm looking to buy gold at. We have pretty much every confirmation to buy if we get to that level. Trend is our friend. We are bullish. Key level breakout with candle closure would be our second confluence. Third confluence, breakout of the SMAs. Fourth, pretty much would be volume or the session that we're trading in. We're trading in New York, so we're good. And fifth, let's see the Bollinger Bands. See what the Bollinger Bands are doing. I haven't used this confluence in a minute. It's the only confluence we don't have. But we pretty much have 4 confluences to go into buys here. Now again, the Bollinger Bands is my least accurate confluence, but it does help a lot when you are trying to look for a setup using my confluence-based strategy. 2 minutes, we enter NYC or 9 a.m. GJ, what's going on with GJ? I believe we hit stops this morning. Yeah, we hit stop loss on GJ. Got to update my signal room. We entered on this minor breakout on this 15-minute time frame towards the downside. I was expecting GJ to push down and go to push up since they are inverse, but unfortunately, we got manipulated, did not respect the SMA, and it kept pushing up. So, we are currently losing for the day on the VIP signal room with this GJ trade, but we'll be coming back. Yesterday we were 2-0. Yesterday we caught over 50 plus pips in the VIP signal room, and today we just lost 20 with GJ. Thing about me, guys, is that I'm always gonna be transparent in these live streams, and I'm always gonna be transparent when it comes to trading, because I don't wanna tell you guys that there's no losses involved and that you guys are always gonna win, because there's obviously losses involved. 5 years of trading, I've lost a lot. So appreciate the detailed info, Kev. This is golden. You're welcome. The good thing about these live stream, guys, is that they are also recorded on the YouTube, so you guys can always go back to them and rewatch them and learn and take notes. I feel like gold gonna create all-time high today too. I mean, the probabilities of gold creating new all-time highs are very high. It's been creating new all-time highs every day. So what can you predict today? Another all-time high. Markets are common sense most of the time. 90% of the times it's common sense. That 10% is just pure market manipulation and, the market doing its thing. The market is like the IRS. They always want their money. Let's see what gold's doing. Like I said, I'd like to buy above 23.55. GJ got a breakout towards the upside. What can we do? We can wait for a retest. Retest off of this level and see if we can continue pushing up. Same scenario that I explained for gold. Retest, previous resistance will become support to continue pushing up. And if you guys want me to look at any specific pair that you guys trade, I can do it as well, since overall the markets, move the same. Did the 1 hour close bearish? Yep. DXY closed bearish on the 1 hour time frame. We should get a bullish gold again. I'm gonna hop on the Discord, guys. For those of you guys that are my VIP students, I'm gonna be going on the VIP on the live trading floor for the Discord. Just so we can talk over there. Actually, give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, we are back on the live stream. Can you look at JER 40? Got you. I'll look at JER 40 right now. JER 40. Now, what is JER 40? JER 40 is the top 40 companies in Germany, and it's the German index, and it's the most volatile, indices or index in Europe. You gotta understand that JER 40 moves best during London session. Reason why I know this is because I used to trade JER 40 a lot, and I used to I had a strategy that I used during London session that actually, used JER 40. And back in the days, it wasn't called JER 40, it was called JER 30. They just added 10 new companies into the index. JER 40 actually also looks very nice, moves very nice. Let's go into the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, look at that. All-time highs as well. Um, Positive correlation with gold. Every commodity indices have a positive correlation. Extremely bullish just for the week. We had a bearish engulfing, so we might have some small retracement towards the downside, but we are still overall bullish. Daily time frame. Daily, we are also still very bullish. We did break below the SMA. Like I said, we are starting to come into a small retracement towards the downside. And 4 hour time frame, we can start to see some type of bearish channel forming, so we can definitely mark that up. 1 hour time frame, we can start marking up these levels of support and resistance, or our major key levels. Major key levels that we can mark up on the 1 hour time frame would definitely be, let me see, this one for buys 100%. Reason why is because overall been a support level multiple times in the past, resistance level multiple times in the past. And if we finally break that level towards the upside, that will tell you that we are bullish, since we would also be breaking above both SMAs and potentially even the channel, right? That would be a very nice bullish move that even I would want to catch here on JER 40. This would be my target level up here, since there is a lot of liquidity sitting up there. And ultimately, if we break the channel towards the upside, we can also reach 18420, which there's also liquidity, and there's also liquidity up here at the all-time highs. So overall, that would be a very nice bullish move if that ends up happening with JER 40. Now, what would I do? Where would I be taking sells? Well, we are inside a downwards channel, and we can already anticipate that price will continue to respect that channel and reach the bottom of the channel. So we could pretty much take sells off of the closest support level that we have, which is technically this one right here. Now, these aren't safe trades because we're trading inside a channel. These would be risky sells, but anticipating that it will keep pushing down since price will respect the channel, you could take some risky sells below 18,160. And then there are some target levels down here, and if market keeps pushing down, it could potentially keep pushing down. Just make sure to move your stops to break even and trail your stop losses as price moves in profits. But that's what I would trade or look for in JER 30 or JER 40. Looks very nice, very clean price action. I'm gonna mark it up here for you, and you guys could take a screenshot or whatever you guys like. If I were to start trading London again, this would be one of the pairs that I would trade during London session. I would probably just trade GJ, gold, and JER 30 or JER 40 during London session. Look at that, super clean price action. Price could push up, or price could push towards the downside here. That's what I would be looking for on JER 40. Hopefully that worked for you, brother. Now let's go back to GJ, see what's going on with GJ. Extremely bullish, big rejection towards the downside, and damn, it looks like it's gonna push up. Pretty big rejection and small previous bearish candle. What does that tell you? It's getting a lot of momentum towards the upside. Buyers are 100% in control for GJ right now. This was simply just a fake out to grab fuel, like Nico said, and continue pushing up. Reason why I don't want to take the buys yet is because I would want a candle flip above 192,700, which would give me that confirmation to enter the buys. Live trading floor open. Let me see. Yeah, let's hop on the live trading floor, guys. Give me a sec.
Not really liking it.
Guys, if you're in the live, if in the VIP signal room, you guys can hop on the live trading floor. And you guys can talk to me through there, and you'll also be on the live stream.
Yo, I'm watching both lives like on each monitor, but I have them both muted. It's like I would go crazy, you know.
Fire, bro.
Imagine you're hearing us like 4 times.
Yeah, no. Then I was hearing myself, and I was like, nah.
Fuck.
I'd rather like listen to you guys here.
Yo, Kev, you know, I woke up at 4:20, and I knocked out again, and I woke up at 6 in the morning.
Yeah, I woke up at
Yeah, bro, I don't know
4.
what happened.
Woke up at
I
4:50.
jinxed myself.
Bro, you know what's
with
weird?
yesterday, bro.
I went to sleep at like 1 a.m. and I woke up at 4:50. I told you I wanted to wake up at 5, and I woke up at 4:50 without the alarm. Like I don't even know what woke me up. I just woke up.
Yeah.
I looked at my phone and it
woke
was
up early
4:50.
too.
I was like, oh, like fire. I'm gonna just stay up then.
It's weird that I kept waking up during the night. Like I woke up at 2 in the morning thinking it's like 5, and I just looked at the clock. I was like, what the fuck?
Yo.
Yo.
Damn, Pablo. Now I can't get the YouTube video monetized since you just said that.
What?
You're not supposed to say that, bro. I won't
You
get
can curse.
I won't get no. I don't think
You
so.
just can't monetize it to kids. Like you can't like it's not like kid friendly. Like
Well, okay. Yeah, I got you. Can you monetize trading? Yeah, you could, right?
yeah. If you want to play music on your stream, bro, I got a non-copyright playlist that's fire.
I don't want to risk
Yeah,
it.
there hasn't really been music in Kev's like live streams anymore.
Nah.
It was always like those
There's-
mellow like background sounds and like that's it.
Is you guys don't understand how boring it is to like just be sitting in front of your screen for like an hour. At least now like there's talking like in the Discord, but like if you're just like there just looking at the screen.
I
it's fucking-
already gave a whole like
drive me
30-minute
crazy.
explanation of how I trade to YouTube for free. Like I gave a whole one-on-one class that I do with my students for free on YouTube.
Yeah, basically.
I'm already doing that on my course, bro. I'm tired of talking about that shit.
Yo, GJ's
Oh
pushing.
shit, Naz is putting up.
Yo, yeah.
Naz is
We're
pushing
getting
up right
hella
now.
volume up right now.
Dude, this playlist is gas. What the fuck? Yo,
Everything's
can't
pushing
play that
up.
shit. Yeah, I don't know what's happening.
Send me it. This is the move that I was waiting for, guys. The bullish flip on GJ. We also got a candle closure, new all-time highs. We should keep pushing up now.
Trading above all EMAs right now.
Yeah, same.
As what are you getting? What are you doing on gold? You're selling?
I'm in buys in GJ. I'm not trading gold,
On
bro.
GJ?
Gold, unless we reach to 23.55, which would be the breakout and basically flip of the SMAs, I'm not trading it. We're pretty much gold is very choppy right now, but GJ, is very very bullish right now, and we just got the candle flip that I was waiting for. I got stopped out earlier though, to a fake out.
We're about to reach some daily highs. Damn, there's insane pressure right there. Hold up. I might get on a nasty ass trade right now. Wait a minute.
For Nas,
Yeah, if you look, we're at a double top from
18,
Thursday,
22, 8.
the third and fourth.
Yeah, so
Depends on who your provider is. What chart you looking at?
Oh, and
Yeah, I'm on the Oanda one. So I'm looking, I'll tell you right now, the level I'm at is it's 18,210.5.
210.5.
You're going to daily there, we're reaching a high. And if you look there, there's two wicks there. Look at the size of that wick. That's a major rejection. Means there's a lot of pressure there. Every time we've traded on that level, look at the size of the rejections there. We even had, look at the size of the doji on the left.
Oh, yeah, that doji's huge.
Yeah. You see that? So we could possibly get on a very good trade there. I'm gonna set my entry there, and set my stops on top, a little bit above the last daily highs. Little double top there, or the 1 hour highs.
Guys,
I
I
wanna wait
haven't
on the
called out a
rejection,
trade
though.
yet. If you're on the live stream, I haven't called out a trade yet. I did get my confirmation for GJ, which was the flip of the bullish candle, but it's too risky. I don't really want to call out the trade. Can you please bring it up in the screen? Got you. Paulo, what were you just analyzing, Nas?
Yeah.
What were you looking at?
Yeah, I'll share my screen real quick so you can see.
I'm on live. Let me see how I can do that.
Hopefully, gold can keep up this push up.
I'm on live
Yeah,
on the Discord.
I'm looking at it. Trying to make it
So-
big. I'm trying to make it bigger. Hold up.
I bet.
All right, there you go.
All right, so essentially what we're looking at here is there's a previous double top we have here, and then a major wick rejection right here across like a couple daily levels and 4 hour levels. So right now we're approaching it. So what I'm going to wait on right here is some type of rejection, right? So at least on the 1 hour, I want to see it reject this level that we have right here, right? It's our daily level. If we see some rejection on here, then the level is still valid, and then we'll catch a trade off of it. You could try to take a trade right now, but it's a little bit like of a push. Like it's kind of risky if you do that because it's like we don't know if it's a valid level still. So we got to confirm that before we even get into this trade. But once we do, I'm just gonna have my highs over here above these wicks, and should be a pretty good trade. Should at least looking at a 1 to 4 over here.
Nice.
And it should only take around 3 hours until that it'll base off this volume to get to that take profit. We also have minor news packet. We have a yellow packet for US.
Yeah, we have yellow folders. Really not that. Shouldn't really impact the market so much.
Nothing really big, yeah.
Gold keeps projecting that 8 SMA.
You got an 8 SMA, that's crazy.
I have the 8 SMA too, bro. That's the SMAs
For
that I
real?
use. Yeah.
I have the 20, 50, 100.
I use the 8 and the 50, which are the two SMAs that I use for my strategy.
Never tried the 8. Maybe I'll turn one on.
It's for the smaller
SMA.
time frames, and if it's better, it works better on Forex
What
pairs,
time
not
frame
on
are you trading
Nasdaq.
that?
Nas is too volatile. It's probably not gonna respect it much, but it works really good for GJ. It's good for gold, and I use it as I use it together with the 50 SMA, which basically tells me overall direction of price. So if pretty much the candlesticks are above both of the SMA, it's telling me that we're bullish. If we are below the SMAs, we are bearish. How can I leave your stream thing? Stop
Just
watching.
right click it and yeah, stop watching.
It's like frozen on your stream. Oh, there
Gotcha.
you go. Yeah.
We have rejection on the 5 minute on that level, on the 15 minute also. Yeah, all across the board it's rejecting. I just need to wait for this 30 to close.
Guys, we're very
10
bullish
minutes
on
are closing.
GJ right now. I took some buys, guys. Now, I don't recommend you guys take buys. I just took some risky buys, small lots, risking 1%. Um, because we did get pretty much the confirmations that I wanted, but it is a very risky trade since there isn't any target levels above us right now, and it could pretty much flip on us. You got me? But I did enter here at 780, so I'm currently like 1 pip in drawdown, and stop loss is 580. $20 pip stops, guys. You guys can take the trade if you want. Up to you. Risky trade though, so just be careful. I did not send a signal for this either.
So if Nas might sell down, that just means that gold might just too, right? I'm assuming.
NAS and gold don't really have a direct correlation, but since they are pretty much, NAS is an indices and gold is a commodity, sometimes they correlate with each other and they go the same direction. But they don't have.
Gold's gonna go up.
They don't really have a direct correlation with each other. It's pretty much random.
Kind of like GJ and gold.
GJ and gold has a better correlation because 80-90% of the time they move in different directions. Correlates with, and it's I think it's the CAD. if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember which one it is. I think it's CAD USD. Or USD CAD.
I thought it was like Euro USD or GBP USD.
No, there's one that it correlates a lot with, but it pretty much is inverse with all of the other ones. GJ, very bullish, 1 pip in profit. Just a quick scalp, guys. Nothing crazy.
Looking at my sell limits right now. If this stays under this level over here, guys, by 9:30 when this candle closes, if we're still trading under this level, it's gonna be a pretty valid trade in my opinion.
You on your live stream?
Yeah.
Fire.
See what it does. It's fire now. I got Trade Locker on my phone. I just play with it over here.
Bro, I'm using Trade Locker. I have MetaTrader and Trade Locker. But bro, the Trade Locker on the phone, I don't really like it much, bro. You can only log into one account at a time. To log into a different account, you really gotta log out and put the whole credentials again. And you know how the credentials are. It's a bunch of letters.
Nah, bro. I have 3 accounts and I can just switch.
Really?
Switch from every one of them.
You're supposed to tap them.
Doesn't let me.
On the top, yeah, there's a tap.
Yeah, on the top.
I honestly, I like it better than MetaTrader.
I like it better too. Like I like it's literally trading view on the phone, bro. But you can also trade on it. But
because
how do you do that? How do you switch from accounts?
You just gotta log into them. I'm only using one account, but I know it gives you the option to just log out to multiple accounts. To log into multiple accounts.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
See, I think it's under let me see.
At the top right.
I'm still kind of learning how to use
on the top right.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah. It's so confusing because, bro, when you switch from account to account, like it doesn't tell you. It just nothing happens.
No, yeah, I know that. It'll be better when they add copy trading though. That way you don't have to be switching from account to account.
Yeah. Five minutes, guys, and we have 9:30 candle. Wall Street open. Guys, if you guys want to join the VIP signal room and you haven't yet, there's a link in the description below to the WAP page, and there is a wait list. But you know, if you're in the live stream, I'm gonna give you guys a promotion. You know, 5 people that joined today, I'll accept you in from the wait list. I'm 1 pip in drawdown. I mean, I'm at break even right now on GJ. That Jer 40 setup is actually also pretty nice. The only thing I don't like about GJ is that it's very bullish right now. And knowing how GJ moves, it can literally flip. Look at the size of this candle. In a matter of seconds.
I haven't heard that sound in a minute.
Yeah.
I'm just on I'm passing a few prop firms that are on MT5. So I'm forced to use MT5. And the broker that I'm using now, they have MT5 as well still. They have Trade Locker and MT5 still.
Is that the one where like you went to meet with the CEO?
Yeah. 24K markets.
Gotcha.
That account though, I'm only gonna be trading gold because what I want to do for that account, bro. It's I want to kind of have like a portfolio that you guys can track and pretty much copy exactly every trade that I trade. Like I'm literally gonna put it on an FX book, and every trade that I take on that account. With an FX book, if you guys don't know what it is, it's basically a page where you can audit, trading accounts. People usually put their trading accounts there, and you can see, all of their trades, stop losses, take profits, and you can pretty much even use it as a copy trader. That's what I want to do for that account, but I'm only going to be trading gold. I want to have my own gold portfolio, and I'm going to be trading gold on that account, and then you're also going to be able to see literally every single trade that I take. So, you guys can take them as well.
Is that gonna include the thing that you like paid for like $10,000 for like a developer? The code, the Pine script code? The indicator?
What Pine script code?
The indicator that you
Yes, yeah, correct. So the signals that the indicator sends are gonna be those same trades plus my own trades, since the indicator is the one that trades gold. But then again, it's also gonna be me trading. Where might get out of this GJ trade, to be honest. I'm in profits right now.
Yo, Kev,
It's
look at your
fine.
iMessage, bro.
I got you.
Gold looks
Don't say
pretty
nothing
nice.
though. Don't talk about what I'm sending you. Just tell me how weird this shit is.
Okay. All right, we're flying on GJ. We're up 3 pips. What did he send me, bro? Let me see.
Look at your iMessage. Look where some girl spotted me at.
What the fuck?
Stalker. Yo, what
That
the
was you
fuck?
though, right?
Yes, bro. That was when you called me yesterday, like a little bit before. Fucking weird, bro. I'm telling you. That's crazy as fuck.
That's creepy too.
That's not weird. It must have been a coincidence, but I was like,
How
what
about
the
4
fuck?
pips in profit, guys?
Oh, 9:30 open, nigga, dump.
Yo, don't say those words.
Oh,
Yo.
negative money.
We're
Well,
up
it's
6
nice, bro.
pips in
You're gonna
profit,
make-
guys. Yo,
you know
DJ's
how
moving
much-
crazy.
There's like, how much do you make on YouTube monetization.
I don't make nothing with
views.
YouTube, but still, you know, you never know if I become like the Mr. Beast of trading one day, you know. So
Kevin, every 1,000 views, you'll be able to make 10 to 30 cents.
I don't even get 1,000 views on my live streams yet.
We could quit trading soon, bro. We could just rely on monetization.
Have you ever heard of Thunder Pro? They are the only platform that actually gives you a live account with daily withdrawals. Thunder Pro are great. They are owned by the same people that own Alpha Trader and own a few other platforms. They're pretty dope. They just have, I believe, the prices for their accounts are not cheap. And I'm not sure. I have to do more research about that. I don't think they'll give you live accounts though and daily withdrawals. If they give you daily withdrawals, that's amazing.
Yeah, that's crazy.
But yeah, they're a trusted company. They're pretty good.
I mean, Alpha gives
I know the
every
owners.
7 days.
Huh?
Alpha gives every 7 days. That's like also very
Yeah.
good. Not a lot of platforms do that.
Yeah, no, 100%.
Okay, we just rejected the double top.
I'm $600 in profits. Finally have enough money for breakfast today.
Billionaire bacon. What was that shit called?
It was called the Millionaire Bacon. I think it was. It was fire.
Twin Peaks is called Billionaire Bacon.
No, it was Millionaire Bacon.
No, in Twin Peaks, it's called
Oh.
Billionaire Bacon.
Oh.
Alright, I'm gonna let it rock. I'm gonna stop staring at it.
Have you ate breakfast yet?
Yeah. I cooked eggs.
You wanna go to that same breakfast spot after?
Nah, I already ate.
You ate eggs. You haven't ate pancakes.
Yeah, but I'm full, bro. I ate eggs. I ate bagels. I had a couple blueberries. I had coffee. I'm
That's
straight
the most beta breakfast I've ever heard of.
Oh.
Blueberries
Fire.
for breakfast, bro. What are you? Nah, I'm
Blueberries
playing.
are fire.
I ate raisin. I ate raisin bagels, raisin and cinnamon bagels, and
Those are fire, bro. I put peanut
I
butter
know.
on that shit.
What?
I put peanut butter on those.
I'm allergic to
Gas.
that. And 4 eggs.
That's some beta shit. Your body doesn't even love you enough to allow you to eat whatever you want.
And 4 eggs. Total of 600 calories. Bro, I'm tracking my macros again.
Yeah, me too. I'm on a diet.
They do. I'm with them. Daily withdrawals are so nice. Have you gotten paid out yet with the daily withdrawals? And how long does it take for them to accept the payouts or the withdrawals?
Wait, what broker does daily withdrawals?
Thunder Pro. It's
platform?
a platform.
I think I've heard of that.
They're really good. They have the same technology as Alpha and top tier.
You get on
Is
mass
there
here,
any
bro?
platform that does 100% payouts?
Yeah, I'm in the position.
Got you. Facts, me too.
I'm
I got
dumping, brother.
I got in off that reduction.
Yo, gold's
Look at my
reaching
stream.
our
I'm
level, guys.
800
Gold's
profit.
reaching our levels. I think I'm going into the buys on gold.
The glow trying to protect.
I just gotta be
yourself.
extremely careful, guys, because this might just be the 930 volume. You know.
I've
TP
been,
one hit,
I've been
baby.
in gold buys.
What's
TP
up,
one
Nico?
hit.
You like the buys on gold too?
Yeah, I've already been in the buys.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Like glitchy ass dude, my Telegram channel's like so glitched, bro.
Bro, Telegram sucks compared to Discord.
I know, bro.
That's why I moved my whole community
I think I might move to Discord.
I moved my whole community to Discord.
Yeah, that was a good move.
Nico, you
I'm
were
not
you were
moving
with
in
me
the
when we
future.
had Telegram, right?
Yeah.
It was so whack, right?
People there on Telegram.
Yeah, people couldn't even talk or anything.
Nah, yeah, you felt isolated.
Yeah, 100%. It was just me sending signals, bro. It felt weird.
Yeah, it's just like you and your live stream, just talking to the chat, you know?
I'm up $2,000 already on the buys on gold. Guys, I'm in buys on gold. TP, final TP will be 2365. 2353 could be your stop loss. Yo, this trade is beautiful. Guys, look at my trades right now. I'm up like almost 3K.
Yeah, my TP is also 2365.
Yeah, that's a huge trade. If you hit TP there, that's like a 50 plus pip move. Let me set. I'm gonna call out the signal.
Yo, Pablo, that move on Nas that you got, that's like a setup that I learned about like this week. It's called the unicorn setup, and it hit like perfectly where I
A
marked.
unicorn setup.
Yeah, the unicorn.
That's wild.
Like literally, like on the exact thing I marked, reacted off of it.
Why is it called a unicorn setup? Because it's rare.
I have no idea, but like it uses a breaker block and a fair value gap at the same time.
Jesus Christ, bro. What are you saying?
That makes sense, bro. ICT with like
The break.
unicorn, like
Personally, brother, I just personally karate chopped an order block over here, and that's just what I'm in right now.
Yo, wait, are you actually being for real?
Chilling.
It's called. You believe
Yeah.
in that, bro?
Nah, they call it. Yeah, they have like hella
I mean,
terms for
I
that.
took the gold trade, but I think.
Yo,
I
I'm
missed
up
the move.
6K, 7K, yo. Yo, guys, I'm up 8K. Look at that. I'm about to pass a prop from account in like 2 trades.
yo, hit TP, bro. Yo, hit TP.
And there's, yeah, it does not look like it's gonna come down.
Chill.
Oh my God, what's gold doing, bro?
Chill.
I was up
chill,
$8,000 and I'm down to 500 bucks.
No.
Nah, yo, I took that Nav. I'm already out.
From breakfast in Monaco to eating breakfast at IHOP. Fuck.
Bruh.
At least it's back at entry. It's back at entry. It's not bad.
No, oh my God, this fat ass doji.
The same thing happened for you with Nas, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
it dumped
Same,
and then
bro.
went back
same
up
thing
now.
same thing for gold. They literally did the
Wait, am I
exact same move.
tripping? Yo, am I tripping? What the fuck?
Same
Let me
move,
go on my
bro.
stream.
Same
I
move.
just saw candles change colors right now. Like previous candles.
Bro, there's some manipulation going on right now.
What just happened, dude? Let me see. I don't know if I'm tripping. Like I literally just looked at some candles flip from fucking blue to black, which is the red candles for me.
Yeah, you're not good, bro.
There's still 20 minutes left.
I'm in
It's
profits,
very
guys.
good.
I'm in profits too, but
This trade,
barely.
this trade scares me, guys.
Yeah, that shit is scary. I might leave at TP1.
I like it. I like the trade a lot.
I like it. I just don't like how things are moving.
Yeah, the market conditions are weird right now. It's been happening for me the last couple of days. I've had like really good setups that have just gone like weird.
Bro, they see the targets. That's why.
They're streaming. They're watching us right now.
Bro, chill, bro.
Pablo, can you look at my screen real quick?
Yeah, what's up?
Alright, so basically what it was is a high, a low, a higher high, a lower low, and then a fair value gap inside the
You
breaking
see?
block. Yeah, that's it. And then it hit, and that was when like the big ass move happened. Right here.
And what is a fair value gap for you guys?
That's like an imbalance.
Yeah.
Oh, and like a smart money concept. Okay, imbalances.
Yeah. I don't use that though. Like I just used to be in an academy where like that's obviously what they taught. But I don't like that.
What's the, for those of you guys that know about small money, what's the silver bullet setup?
Oh, I don't know. I've
Bro, there's like so many different types of setup. I didn't even get to that.
Cause I know what the turtle soup is. Cause I used to the turtle soup setup was the pre-London fake out. I know because I used to trade London and I would see it like daily. So it's a real setup. It's just you got those smart money traders would literally make up a name for every little thing that happens in the market.
Yeah, like bro, so annoying.
That's true.
There's the turtle soup,
Silver
there's the
bullet,
silver bullet, and then there's the seek and destroy. There's a bunch of like weird names for them.
Those strategies, yeah.
Yeah. And they're good. Like they're good strategies, is that they're so rare. It's like, bro, it's like, for example, a head and shoulder. Obviously we know that head and shoulders work, but we don't see head and shoulders every single day. Same thing goes with like whatever the silver bullet is. It's probably a setup that you don't see every day, but yeah, it does happen in the markets. Silver bullet is ICT starter.
Yo, what is gold doing?
Yeah, man. Just tripping. Jesus.
Bro, I might just get out. Not gonna lie.
I'm gonna draw down right now.
Get out while I still can.
I'm gonna hold it.
Bro, all I asked for is TP1. That's it.
I should have closed. I was literally up like 8K, and it was a 200K account. Would have been up
Yeah,
already like half.
34%.
Yeah.
I took gold buys at 23.49.
I'm on a fat ass fucking doji, bro. Well, not really a doji, it's a huge bottom with projection.
Bro, this thing's about to turn into a doji right now in gold as we speak.
I want to go brush my teeth real quick, but I feel like this shit's gonna hit my stop loss when I look away from it.
Yo, look at that huge gold rejection.
I can't. I'm looking at my profits right now.
2 minutes for 50-minute candle closure. If we get that breakout in the next 2 minutes, bro, like I'll be a little bit more.
Please close as a doji and then just reject completely, bro. Let's go. So I was like
We need a closure above
2/3 of the
23.
way to my TP2, man.
Above 23.56. We need that closure.
I'm not gonna lie, I closed that NAS though. Literally at that bottom wick.
2 more
No
minutes.
You closed it at the bottom, right?
Yeah, bro. After, cause I entered at the top of that candle, and then
this guy.
yeah.
You got a good trade in. Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, so I stick to like 50 point move.
Guys,
That's it.
I'll be
'Cause I
re-entering.
always ever.
I'll be re-entering this trade if in the next minute we got a candle closure above 23.56.
So it's got to be above the 8 SMA on the 15?
Yeah. And above this minor key level.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Yeah. It's a solid setup.
Yeah, I'm still holding. That shit entered, it was hella profit. As soon as you called it, it was already up like month.
Yeah.
Like, it's,
I closed it. I
Bro,
closed.
come on, bro.
I have one of the positions open in drawdown, and the
Let's
other
go,
one
baby.
closed me at break even.
Oh, we're melting. We're melting. We're melting.
Bro, don't say that.
Hold
You're
up.
you're melting on NAS.
Yeah.
no, we're good on gold. So we're good on gold. 15 seconds. And
Yeah.
It's about to, well, hopefully.
See.
Oh no.
Oh, strong.
Nah,
Nico, you're still in the trade.
You guys trading inverse?
Yes, I'm still in the trade.
I'm still holding gold too.
Yo, chill. Oh man. Yeah, I just-
No breakout. No
No.
break. Guys, be careful. We
What is going on, bro? It's
We
like
literally
red
got-
candle, green candle, red candle.
Gold is he going to shoot up like a motherfucker? Or
be
just
careful
shoot
though.
up
We
like
didn't
that?
get the breakout. We closed inside the
Oh.
range, but we are getting some random volume towards the upside, which I
Yeah,
like.
As soon as I get that shit, a little bit of profit, I'm out.
Yeah, be careful. Try to secure, bro, like 0.5, 1%. You know, you're good. You'll be good.
Bro, I feel like I'm like sports betting right now, bro. Just watching my team.
Just
play.
gold is just hella bipolar, but gold to give you all the sales, all of a sudden just boom.
It isn't like that bro. It wasn't like that a month
That's
ago.
what gets the money. You feel me?
It's already
That's
been
what
this
gets-
month. Gold's been acting weird like that this whole month.
It's Nas also, bro. To be honest,
Let's go.
Okay,
Oh,
finally.
good.
Oh,
Good.
let's go.
Finally, back at it.
consolidating now.
I'm literally any second.
Bro,
Let's
at this
go,
point,
guys.
just make a
Let's go.
decision, bro. Hit my stop loss if you want. Like, come on. It's fucking consolidating at a fucking entry.
If you eat up the last week on the 15th.
Yo, let's go, gold.
We found the double top there where we're
2358,
rejecting off of it.
2358, guys, will be my TP. Or at least I'll be closing probably half of my position there.
On the 1 hour, we got a huge wick there. If
Bro,
we could
go
close the body,
Go up.
15 minutes.
Oh no.
Alright, guys, we are a few pips in profits.
Oh, you held two, Kev?
What's up?
You held it too, like the trade?
I had two positions. One I got closed at break even. The other one I'm in the trade still. Alright, with 10 pips in profits.
Dale, bro, dale. Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Bro, you gotta get like mad at this, bro.
Is literally gonna eat up the last week, hopefully.
Treat it good, bro. Treat it good. Don't get mad at it.
Can't panic is organic. Go shit.
Alright, we're 10 pips in profit, guys.
Let's go. Let's go.
12 pips.
There's a little wick that could.
Alright,
Oh, there we go, baby.
18 pips in profit. 19.
Let's
And
go. We're
TP1
melting.
hit, guys. Let's go. 20 plus pips in profit. TP hit. And I'm up about $3,000. Yo, I was screen recording for the last 20 minutes on my phone. Jesus, I didn't notice. Oh, we're flying, guys. We're up 30 plus. We're up 30 plus pips in profit for gold.
He's eating that wick up good. We're good.
Profits right now.
Yeah, we're above the SMA, so there's no like it's really hard for it to create another crazy ass like wick all.
Let's go. Holy shit, I'm melting.
We're up
right
30
now.
plus pips in profit.
Yo,
I'm
that shit just
melting.
melted, bro.
Bro, we're about to
There's
hit
clean
23.
range on the left.
We're about to hit
We're
23.
melting.
Gold's flying up right now. 30 plus pips in profit, guys.
Melting right now.
I think he's literally gonna hit that 23. Could have hit that 23.66, or maybe a little bit below it.
What are you looking
Yeah, I
at?
think it's going for all-time highs.
Nico, what did he do with gold? Did he close out?
Nah.
Bro, be careful.
I'm in.
You're up 30 pips. Don't get greedy.
Facts, nigga, take that shit.
I might close it all. Like,
What percentage are you risking on that trade?
I risked 1.5.
All right, close. I recommend
Take
to
some
close
partials at
close a
least.
half. Close some partials, bro.
But I got in at 23.50.
That's
So
a
I'm, like,
really
pretty
good.
deep.
That's a really good
Take
entry.
partials, bro. What is you doing?
Bro, I got in at 2,352.
I'm
Take
moving
some
my stops to
partial.
break even, actually. That's what I'm gonna do.
I entered at 23.56, bro. Way later than you. I'm up 30 pips in profit, guys.
That's his mountain.
Nas. Burn. There we go. I'm up a K right now. Dude, Nas is melting. Kev, look at this. Nas God.
Let me see what's going on with Nasdaq.
Damn,
Nas
that
God,
shit.
nigga. TP2.
Yo,
TP2 on the way.
should have re-entered.
Who stream? Oh, Esco. Let me see.
You got a double
Oh,
top
it
right there,
melted.
boy.
Nice.
Yeah, it's melting right now.
That's literally the same thing that's happening with me on gold right now,
I'm
but
up 1300. I'm gonna take partials.
for the opposite direction. Yeah, it's nice.
Goes out 15 lots. There we go. Half my positions out. Keep holding the rest of it.
Nico, I
It's a
recommend a
risk-free
close
trade right
partial, bro,
now.
because we haven't
I'm
even gotten
risking
the
$0.
bro. We haven't even gotten the closure. Like we closed inside the range. I think
Bro,
this
I'm
is just
risking $0 on this trade, nigga. I'm making over 700 right now. This is free 700, literally. Because I already closed my partials.
nice.
Trade lockers, trades.
On the 30 on gold, it looks like it might reject the 8.
Yeah, the ASMA. That's what it looks like.
Yeah. If we get that breakout, bro, in 10 minutes, we're flying. And it
On the
has
30,
strength,
right?
bro. You saw how fast it could push up. It wants to break up.
You mean the breakout on the 30?
Yeah, if we get a bullish breakout on the 30 above that 8 SMA, we should fly, bro. And, you know, we should reach the all-time high level, which is 2365 again. It's struggling, though, on the 30-minute time frame. It's struggling to break that 8 SMA.
Yeah. It's like it keeps getting pushed down, but then it keeps shooting up a little bit. Like
The 15
It
looks
wants
a
to
bit
keep
nicer
coming
because
up.
it's on the 15. It's still above the 8 SMA, but it's struggling to break the key level, the resistance key level. Then the 30-minute, it's struggling to break the SMA, and it's also struggling to break the key level
damn, on the
as well.
15 is looking nasty with that wood.
Yeah. That's ridiculous.
Thing is also to the left of it, like you see, there's like a level, like that level's like it rejected. It seems small, but it's the one like 5-6 times that it rejected it.
Yeah, it's rejected multiple times, yeah.
Unless it could be never mind.
I have 51 viewers. What the fuck?
Yeah, bro, these wicks are gross.
I just
Yeah, there's wigs at this point they're starting to get disrespectful.
slip everybody in the chat.
Yeah, that shit rejected like crazy. Cool.
Both had like very clean range to the left, though.
You took some partials, Nico?
Yeah,
I'll be
yeah,
closing.
about 2%, like with my
I
part.
think I'll be ending the live stream, guys.
I got stopped by
mine
like
too.
right now, but at 2%.
Now we hit
So,
TP1 for 30 pips. I was able to secure some partials, moved my stops to break even, and took me out. At least I was able to secure 2K. Silverboy, ICT, LMAO. Yeah, I secured some money, guys. If you were on the live stream, you made money today as well. Hopefully, you guys moved your stops to break even and you applied proper risk management. There's literally no reason for you guys to lose this trade. You know, we were up like 30, 40 plus pips. And I told you guys, you know, to move stops to break even. So, and if you guys, you know, want to wait till that, you know, 30-minute candle in the next like 4 minutes, you know, that's what I'll be probably doing in the next like 5 minutes. I'll be just waiting for that breakout. If we get it,
would you re-enter?
if
Yeah,
we
I just
get
sent
my
my
if I
stream.
get my confirmation, yeah, I probably would. Just I'd be risking just not more than 1%. I'll let you guys know in the signal room. Or I mean, we'll stay here on the live trading floor. I'm just gonna end the YouTube stream. But
Bro, I think on this one I'd risk like.
But that's it, guys, for today. You know, I'll be ending the live stream right now on YouTube. For those of you guys that are new, my live stream schedule is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at the same time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, where I live trade gold and GJ. Appreciate all you guys for joining, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.